like a morning dove, fields stretched wide, no sign of love. Fence posts to lean, whispering tales of boots and spurs and rusted nails. Oh, the winds on the prairie, they call my name. A voice so lonesome, yet never the same. Through the dust and the gold of the setting sun, they tell me to stay, but I've gotta run. The river bends where shadows